Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best do not how is probably one of the most transformative concepts you can embrace to unlock unprecedented growth and freedom in your life and business, shifting your mindset from the overwhelming burden of figuring out every single step yourself to strategically identifying and leveraging the right people who already possess the expertise to achieve your goals efficiently and effectively, allowing you to focus on your unique abilities and vision. Number 5. What do you mean? Core Game Original Version. Get ready for endless laughter with this hilarious adult party game. It's designed for all meme lovers to enjoy. This game arrives brand new in its box, complete with all the accessories you need. Just open it up and start the fun. A rotating judge decides the winner of each round. For the best chance to win, try to match your caption card to their sense of humor. Compete with friends and family to create the funniest memes. Simply use one of your dealt caption cards to caption the photo card in each round. If you love this, check out our other party games. They are inspired by pop culture and offer even more hilarious experiences. What we like. This is the ultimate adult party game for endless laughs. If you are looking for a hilarious group activity, this game is perfect. Its rotating judge system ensures fresh humor every round, making it ideal for social gatherings. What people say. Number 4. Who not how, the formula for teamwork. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by your ambitious goals? This revolutionary approach helps you redefine your strategy for success, making your biggest dreams attainable. Instead of focusing on how to do everything yourself, learn to identify the right people to help you. It shifts your perspective from individual effort to collaborative power. This formula is designed to supercharge your team's effectiveness. It provides a clear path to leverage collective strengths for faster progress towards your objectives. By embracing this method, you can tackle challenges previously thought impossible. It empowers you to expand your vision and reach new heights with confidence. Discover how to delegate effectively and build a powerful network of support. It's the ultimate guide to achieving more by doing less yourself, transforming your entire approach to work. What we like. This book offers a unique formula for achieving ambitious goals. If you are an entrepreneur or leader aiming to scale your impact, this resource is invaluable. It teaches you to leverage others' strengths, making it essential for anyone seeking strategic growth. What people say. Number 3. Crochet for Beginner's Guide. Are you new to crochet and looking for the perfect starting point? This comprehensive guide is designed specifically for beginners, making it easy to dive into the world of yarn and hooks. It features a detailed stitch dictionary, providing clear explanations for every fundamental technique. You'll quickly build a strong foundation for all your future projects. Every stitch and technique comes with step-by-step illustrations, ensuring you can follow along with ease. These visuals remove any guesswork, guiding you through each movement. Once you've learned the basics, you can immediately apply your new skills with 10 easy projects. These fun and simple patterns are perfect for practicing and building confidence. From simple scarves to charming home decor, it helps you create beautiful handmade items. Get ready to transform yarn into wonderful creations with this essential resource. What we like. This comprehensive guide is perfect for anyone wanting to learn crochet. If you are a beginner looking for clear, visual instructions, this book is your go-to. Its step-by-step illustrations and simple projects make mastering the craft accessible and fun. What people say. Number 2. It's not the how or the what but the who. Many believe success is about what you do or how you do it. This book presents a revolutionary perspective on achieving your goals. It argues that the most critical factor isn't your methods or objectives. Instead, it's the caliber of the people you surround yourself with. This principle emphasizes the power of your inner circle. It suggests that choosing the right individuals can profoundly impact your journey. By carefully selecting your associates, you can unlock greater capabilities. It helps you navigate challenges and seize opportunities more effectively. Discover how to identify and attract the best talent into your life. It provides actionable strategies to build a powerful and supportive network. What we like. This book emphasizes the critical role of people in achieving success. If you are an individual focused on personal and professional growth, this perspective is transformative. It guides you on building a powerful network, making it ideal for those seeking to elevate their influence. What people say. No reviews found in the source data to extract points from. No reviews found in the source data to extract points from. Number 1. Learn how to tie-dye 3-volume set. Unlock your creativity with this comprehensive guide. It's designed to teach you everything you need to know about tie-dye. This isn't just one lesson, it's a full 3-volume set. Each volume builds on the last, ensuring a thorough learning experience. You'll learn various techniques, from basic spirals to advanced patterns. Our clear instructions make it easy to follow along. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this set is perfect. It makes learning enjoyable and accessible for everyone. Soon, you'll be creating beautiful, unique tie-dye masterpieces. Get ready to express your artistic side with confidence. What we like. This comprehensive set provides everything needed to master tie-dye. If you like hands-on creative projects, this guide offers endless artistic possibilities. Its multi-volume approach ensures a thorough learning experience, perfect for aspiring artists of all ages. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.